Every training style has one thing in common. Whether you're a gym bro or a calisthenics athlete, your wrists are silently taking huge stress in almost every exercise you do. But here's the problem. The constant stress you put on your wrists every day can eventually lead to a long-term injury. You see, the human wrist is a small and complex joint. If you never train it directly, you increase your risk of weak grip, wrist pain, and worst of all, a serious wrist injury. But you don't need to worry, because by doing these two important exercises, you can transform your weak wrists into strong iron wrists. These exercises are so effective that professional martial artists, gymnasts, and calisthenics athletes all include them in their training. The first exercise is wrist-based push-up variations. These include finger push-ups, knuckle push-ups, and the most powerful variations, back of the hand push-ups. I practiced all of them for 30 days, and the changes I noticed in my wrists were unbelievable. But the second exercise is even more powerful. I'm talking about the planche lean. This movement is commonly used by gymnasts and calisthenics athletes. In this exercise, your wrists are forced to support almost your entire body weight at a very sharp angle. This creates a powerful stimulus that strengthens your wrist tendons, ligaments, and overall joint stability. But even if you build iron wrists, that doesn't mean your overall body strength will automatically increase, and that's exactly why I wrote The Only Secret to Become Stronger Than 99% of People. If you are weak, this book reveals the mistakes that are killing your strength and how to actually build real power. Link in the description.